First of all, there's a lot involved, right? From staffing, the right equipment, the right chemicals, and of course, the right relationship with the client. And so, as you can tell, pretty large facility. As we walk through, you'll see the large scrubbers, auto machines to keep these floors maintained and keep the offices maintained. Second of all, the right staff. We do not subcontract. We hire W-2 employees. And what that means is that we have direct oversight of them. We're not relying on a third-party company that we're subbing to manage their staff. We have direct responsibility for the staff. Especially with larger clients, that's just a mandatory thing in my mind. Especially here in Texas, a lot of companies don't have to have workman's comp, and we do because we want to protect our clients and also protect our employees and team members as well. And communication, larger facilities take a lot of communication. That means with the on-site supervisor we might have, our account manager, and also our corporate office. And so what we've done is we've invested a lot of money and spent a lot of money in technology, apps to help us communicate with our clients. It gives us real-time feedback with any issues, any work orders, put our finger on what's really going on a daily basis, moment by moment, not only through the app, but also through our district managers, who are another layer of management that work with our site supervisors and go as a go-between corporate and also our clients. So that way, if there's any issues that need to be addressed, they visit the site regularly, do inspections. Most of the time when I go into a building and we're bidding on a building, that is one of the biggest complaints or biggest issues is communication. To make it work, it's vital to have that communication aspect and tools to make sure that we're all on the same page, things are getting done according to scope and beyond the scope. Regardless if you're a large industrial plant like we're seeing today, a small office complex, a medical facility, a school, we're here for you. We do buildings from 600,000 square foot plus to 2,000 square foot. And so we're very versatile and diverse with our teams. We'd love to have you give us a call, Allied Facility Care, get an opportunity to earn your business.